Ayun, hi Brother Jesse Bulu, this is Bunso Powers. Gusto ko lang sabihin, binabati kita ng maligayang kaarawan at stay pogi lagi. Enjoy your birthday, have fun, have a good one. Bye.
Brother Jesse Bulu TV, thank you sa t-shirt. I finally got to wear it. Thank you talaga. In behalf of our Team College's family, we wanna greet you a happy birthday. Ang wish namin sa iyo is good health, more blessings to come, and more birthdays to celebrate. Salamat sa love and support sa Team College's, and of course, naandito lang din kami palagi always, supporting you all the way. Please stay the way you are, kind and humble. I hope you'll have a fantastic birthday. God bless kapatid. Ingat palagi dyan. Love ka ng Team College's.
Hello po sa inyo, Sir Jesse Blue. Happy birthday po. And sana bigyan pa po kayo ni Lord ng maraming taon para ma-celebrate po ang inyong birthday. And ingat po kayo palagi. God bless po sa inyo. And more power po. Happy birthday po again!
Hello guys! Jocelyn Santillan Vlogs from Team College's. So ngayon guys is babati ako ng isang maligayang kaarawan ng isang kabro namin ka-team namin sa Team College's na super gwapo, super bait. Isang idol ko yan. So, Sir GC Blue, happy birthday, Sir GC Blue. Pasensya ka na. Medyo madilim to sa amin. So, ayan, from Team College's, happy birthday. More birthdays to come. God bless you always. And more power on your channel. Go lang tayo. At support lang. Happy birthday!
Ayan, happy birthday sa ating brother na pogi, si Brother Jesse Blue TV. Happy birthday sa iyo at more birthday sanang dumating pa at more blessing na dumating pa sa iyong buhay. At maraming salamat Brother Jesse Blue at nakilala ka namin na napakabait at napakapoging Jesse Blue. Maraming salamat at good ingat sa iyong trabaho diyan sa Saudi. At enjoy sa iyong birthday. Maraming salamat brother.
Hello po Kuya Jesse Blue. Gusto lang po kitang batiin ng happy birthday. And sana maraming birthday pa po yung dumating po sa inyo. And sana po ang wish ko po sa inyo long life, good health, at malayo po palagi sa anumang pong sakit. And God bless you po always. Sana po mag-enjoy ka ngayong birthday mo. Happy birthday po. We love you from Team College's family.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hello po, ako po si Nora Romano from Team College's na bumabati ng maligayang kaarawan, Sir Jesse Blue. Thank you po at nakilala po kita, nakita ng personal, kahit sandali lang po, sana maulit-ulit yun. More candles to blow and cake to slice. Thank you. God bless. Ingat po kayo lagi dyan.
Happy birthday Kuya Jesse Blue. I wish you lang yung more birthday. Ayan, ligtas kayo palagi, ikaw at yung pamilya. Ayan, wala naman ako ibang yun lang sa'yo kasi rush na rin to at saka haggard pa ang tantan for today's video. Ito na lang yung handog namin para sa'yo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kuya Jesse Blue.
Sir Jesse Blue, alam ko naman na ang pogi-pogi mo talaga. Kaya, ito po si Cirila Bautista ng Team Kulits Family, buwabati sa'yo ng happy birthday.
Hello, happy birthday, Idol Jessie Blue. Pasensya ka na kung naka-audio lang ako, pasensya na kasi sobrang haggard, at saka alam mo naman palagi nasa labas, at saka busy. Anyway, uulitin ko, happy birthday. Sana mas maraming birthday pa ang darating, mas marami pang birthday ang magkakasama tayo, nandyan ako, andyan lahat ng grupo mo, at mas magiging masaya. Happy birthday uli. Yun lang. Thank you.
Alright. Thank you so much for giving me a chance to greet you, Kois. A happy birthday. And I hope you guys enjoy this very special day of you together with your family and friends. And even though I don't know you personally, Kois, pero isa ka sa mga hinahangaan namin sa YT. Isa kang pogi ng YT. And of course, just keep going, Kois, and continue to give happiness, smiles to everyone here in YT, not only in YT, but of course, people around you. And my very wish to you, guys, is to have the best of what's your heart's desires. And I think you are blessed already. And yeah, yun lang siguro. Kasi 1 minute lang binigay sa akin ni Mr. Chairs. So maraming salamat once again, Kois. Happy birthday and more birthdays to come. God bless you.